The 17 Best Grills 2021 Gas and Charcoal Barbecue Grill. We often hear that things were better decades ago, the food was fresher, the sky bluer, and all you needed was a big brick barbecue in the backyard. But patio cooking has been reanimated. Across this great land, people are searing, roasting, braising, and smoking. Grills have proliferated. When it comes to buying your next grill, there's no shortage of product to choose from in terms of price and features. Check out quick reviews of 17 Best Grills 2021 in this video. 1. Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi 24 with Sidekick. The Woodwind Wi-Fi 24 is an attractive, versatile grill that fits better in tight spaces due to its vertical legs and small footprint. During testing, we found it more convenient to maneuver and reposition where we had issues with other grills. 2. Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 Digital Charcoal Grill. With a temperature range of 150 degrees to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, the Masterbuilt 560 Digital Charcoal Grill is a multi-purpose backyard cooker. Using an innovative design, charcoal is stored in a vertical hopper on the end of the grill, where it is gravity-fed and burned from the bottom. Flames and heat are drawn horizontally into the grill, where they enter a large heat diffuser and then rise to the grates. 3. Kalamazoo Hybrid Fire K750HS Grill. Kalamazoo grills are made by hand in Michigan using very heavy gauge 304 stainless steel that's 3 to 4 times thicker than most grills. Our test grill weighed about 500 pounds. The Hybrid Fire features 3 25,000 BTU cast bronze burners sitting below a full-width grilling drawer where charcoal or wood can be added. 4. Weber E210 Gas Grill. If you like traditional gas grilling, this is your grill. Its cast iron grid sits above large inverted V-shaped deflectors to keep drippings off the burners. The deflectors are easily removed and porcelain coated for easy cleanup. 5. Big Green Egg, Large. By now, you have probably seen or heard of the Big Green Egg, the product largely responsible for popularizing Kamado grills here in the US. Kamado grills are traditionally charcoal-fired, dome-topped ceramic ovens with a temperature range from about 200 degrees to over 700 degrees Fahrenheit. 6. Char-Broil Commercial Series True Infrared. Char-Broil's True Infrared 4-burner grill has remarkably even heat distribution. This is largely due to the burner design, featuring 4 stainless steel heat emitters. Above those emitters is a set of porcelain-coated, cast-iron grates that imparted a typical wide sear mark. 7. Cuisinart CGG 240. There is no need to carry this stainless steel roll-away gas grill from Cuisinart. The stand folds down flat for maximum portability, so it can roll behind like a roller bag at the airport, plus, it can be hung on a wall for storage. 8. Weber Smoky Joe. This is a phenomenal small grill, a kettle-shaped classic. A bottom vent and an aluminum top damper allow precise airflow. Despite the small kettle's volume, there's enough room to manipulate the coal for accurate cooking. 9. Oklahoma Joe's Rambler. We were really impressed by how easy it was to grill with either direct or indirect heat. The charcoal tray is adjustable, hanging from a ladder rack that can quickly raise or lower the coals as needed. 10. Cuisinart Claremont Grill and Smoker. The Claremont is a behemoth, at nearly 65 inches wide and with 1,400 square inches of space. Think of it as a multi-purpose outdoor cooker, with sealed glass doors, 2 oven racks above the grill surface, internal lighting, and a wraparound workspace. 11. Weber Spirit E310 Gas Grill. This is a great gas grill with assembly that's hassle-free. The Spirit is perfect for the everyday griller. It's simple to use and versatile, with 3 cooking zones. 12. Coleman Road Trip 285. For tailgating, camping, or a barbecue in the park, the Road Trip 285 is easy to haul and set up. It uses 16-ounce propane canisters. Bring spares if you're cooking for a crew or making multiple meals. 13. Traeger Pro Series 575. From the originators of the pellet grill, the Traeger Pro 575 is a solid performer. The 575 delivers pleasing, consistent results and can smoke at lower temperatures than many others. 14. Weber Q1200. The Q1200 is compact and light. This one gets the job done almost entirely through conduction. Its single burner provides heat to a porcelain-coated cast-iron cooking grid that functions much like a 189 square-inch pan. 15. Fire Disc Original. Strictly speaking, the fire disc isn't a grill, more accurately, it's a portable outdoor cooker. The 22-inch disc sits on a sturdy, two-piece stand that is made from thick steel bar stock. 16. Weber Performer Premium 22. Everything you love about the classic 22-inch Weber kettle, but with a few stylish add-ons, like a large work surface off to the side, a convenient lid holder and a propane-fired charcoal starter. The pull-out bin for storing charcoal is a model of grill engineering. 17. KitchenAid 3-burner propane. This KitchenAid is one of the nicest looking grills. The stainless steel grates are spaced a little wider than normal, and we found this helped make them easier to scrub off. Plus, there's a bonus ceramic sear burner on the side, so you can cook low and slow if you wish and use it to add those dark grill marks. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel.